brought to you by Luigi! Yeah, by me. Now let's get to the skit. 35 years ago. Hey Mario, wouldn't it be funny if like in 35 years from today, like an airplane crashed like into our giant place where we all hang out? Yeah, that would be funny. I'll be here in 35 years. See ya. 35 years later. Okay, I'm back. What's up, yo? Yo, remember when I said like 35 years ago that an airplane would probably crash here, so I got the joke. Yeah, you think that's gonna happen? Nah, doubt it, because we all die. At the airport terminal. Okay, flight 370 takeoff. Airplane crash. Airplane doodads. Oh, braking. Boom! Oh no, it's an airplane! Boom, 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 blow up! Sound effects, boom, boom, boom. Luigi, it's brought to you by me. I'm dying. Yeah,